Hey everybody, how's it going? Phil here. Happy Friday. Cheers. Not beer 30 today, but it's cocktail 30. Something a little more refreshing. It's like 90 degrees outside. Had a little rain, cooled off. Now it's humid. It's all good though. Cheers. Had a crisis going on here. We have a crisis. The problem is, apparently, the magical water cubes aren't coming out of the chute. So, I investigated, did my research. The water line's not froze. Check that. Pulled it off. Blew through it. Clear tube. But the water's working fine on the water machine. The water's coming out. So I did a little more research and, we think it's the water valve. I think it's the water valve, which is this guy. Amazon, $38. Hopefully that is the problem. So, I'm going to try to replace that. Never done it before. Not sure, but we're going to figure it out. So, step one will be to turn the water off, which is in this closet, and it runs. The water line runs up above in the attic space and down the wall over to here. So we're going to turn the water off in here. This is tricky. This is tricky because these valves can be really finicky. And I'm not sure. Get back to you in a minute. Hold on. Time out. Okay, we got the water turned off, I think. Now we're gonna clear out rugs and stuff. That should be plenty of room to work with. Okay, she's down here. That should be plenty of room. We're gonna unplug it and then take a few things apart. Is tight in there. unplugged. Okay, got my handy dandy little side flashlight and a pair of these angled needle nose. There's these little clips that hold the water valve tight. You gotta pop those babies out. We're gonna start with that. There's the little clip. Each water line has one of those. I gotta lay these out the way they go, so I remember which one goes where. It's different colors. We're gonna put them in order the way they go back in. Okay, now we're gonna unloose this baby. There she is. We got one more clip on the back side. They're hard to get out of there. There we go. Okay, that's my back clip. I'm gonna put that there. Now, I got a rag here. We're gonna have some water coming out. Who knows where? We're gonna have some there. A lot of water. There we go. Okay. Oh, come on. We're gonna unhook these connectors. Blue on the right. Blue on the right. And there comes all our water. We're gonna get that one in right away. That one's in. Okay, a lot of pressure on that one. A lot of pressure on that one, folks. Dry these off. A lot of pressure on that baby. That was the main line there. Pop this clip back in. Was that in good? Yeah, that thing's in real good. Clip on. Blue. Blue on the right. Dry those off pretty good. Okay. That's right. That doesn't feel very good. Okay. Time out. Gotta look at my picture. Okay, we got the right wire on the right side. I just had to double check my pictures. And this one goes right, I believe. Guess what? I gotta double check my pictures again just to make sure. Be right back. That's why it's good to take pictures. So you remember. Okay, lead one comes down, goes to the right. One underneath goes up into there. And we gotta make sure we don't bunch up any unnecessary wires in there. Make sure it's going in where it's supposed to go. Okay. Well, now we're gonna bolt her. I'm gonna bolt it. Well, I'm gonna put my clips in now. Put those in now. I think it'll be a little easier to do them now. There we go. Okay. Put our wires back in there. Something's not feeling right. Okay, there we go. Put our screws back in. These holes don't quite line up, but there's other holes that work. There we go. Okay. Everything seems good. A little bit of water. I'm going to actually leave this open for now so I can check for any leaks in a little while. Set this here, and well, we got her in. We got her in there. She's in. All right. Well, we're going to turn the water back on and back in a minute, see how we're doing for leaks. Okay, folks, we're back. Had a little leak. Got that fixed. Everything's dried out for the most part. I think. Doesn't appear to be any more leaks. We're going to seal this up for now. Check it again tomorrow. I ran the water. Got water through it. Water's back on. Power's back on. If this is the problem, time will tell. I think the ice machine will have to go through a cycle or something. But in the meantime, it's in. If it's not that, well, we gave it a try. 38 bucks on Amazon for my ice maker. Gotta have ice in the summer or anytime, right? Okay, so, well, like I said, see what happens here in the next few hours. Overnight, what have you. Hopefully it just starts working. I wasn't getting any water to the ice maker, so the line was clear. I blew through it. Wasn't frozen. Any suggestions or comment? Leave a comment, like. That'd be awesome. Hope you're all having a happy Friday. Fill out. Cheers. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I hope it does. That pump is making more noise than I've ever heard. When I got water, I really heard it running. I never heard the old one running. So I'm a little skeptical, but can't say we didn't try. Thanks for watching. Have a nice night.